Welcome, viewers, to a shadow play the likes of which have never been seen.
It's time you learned a lesson. It's time that you understand. Don't ever count on anybody else in this or any other land.
No! May is my best friend. I'd never abandon her when she needs me. We're heroes, it's what we do!
But those were the childish wishes of someone who was blind.
This was the Monkey King's great plan? How do you still not see that he has no idea what he's doing? How about this for a plan? Stay down, MK, or I will put you down.
Saw a story about a hero who got handed everything, who didn't have to work for anything, and you thought you were the other guy? The second the hero got real power, he couldn't care less about his friends. That's you, bud. You're right. That is enough. You know, you really are just that bit too much like him.
We all start out the same with simple, naive trust, shielded from the many ways that life's not fair or just. But then there comes a moment, a simple truth that you must face. If you depend on others, you'll never find your place. As you take that first step upon a path that's all your own,
They are slowing you down. You have power inside you.
Look, kid, using that much power, your body can't handle it.
It's actually teaching me what I need to know.
open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Me among the mighty, you caged at my command. Open up your eyes and behold the faded light. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes. Open up your eyes.
Get off!